Hey, this is Todd again. This is email number 2. So if you missed email number 1, go back and search for it or reply to this email and say, hey, dude, I didn't get the first video with the freaking offer. The offer for me running traffic for you. Now, traffic, good traffic, and that's all I run. I run buyer traffic. That means that everyone that's going to see your new website that you're going to get at Core or VIP or the new Spark that's coming out, you might want to ask me about that too when you reply to my email. Um, when you come in at Core and VIP, I'm going to put you in my traffic for your first month. What's that going to do? First off, what is it? It's buyer traffic. Buyer traffic is people that have bought before and they're on a list of the guy that I buy my traffic from. He sells for like a buck 26 per click, and I'm going to run you for a month. What's that going to do? The people have bought before, they have a credit card in hand, and then all we do is put your offer, which is VIP and Core, okay, in front of them, and then they can decide. Not everyone's going to buy. Don't believe that crap if they tell you. Not everyone's going to buy. But what traffic is meant to do, is to get people on your email list. So you can once you set up the email, which is done for you, by the way, uh, when you come in at Core and VIP, that's already done for you. So don't freak out. You don't need to know anything. You just need to get in at Core and VIP. Then I'm going to take your link and I'm going to put it out in front of all these people. What they're going to do is people are going to get on your email list. That's ultimately what you want. Okay. A sale or two would be great. You get your money back right away. Um, they're going to be on your email list and you're going to email them just like I'm doing. Okay. You don't have to do videos, but I like videos, because there's not a link in the email, and Google and Gmail and all them, they hate links in emails, because they judge you. So I don't give them anything to judge on. I just put a video in there because YouTube and Google are owned by the same. YouTube and Gmail are owned by Google. So they kind of prioritize when you put a video from YouTube in their email. They make sure that unless you have a terrible domain or something, uh, you're going to get in the inbox. Okay. And this way you can communicate with people. You tell them, hey, I'm Todd. I'm a regular guy. I wear a dirty uh, hoodie because I'm always doing something, you know. But anyway, I'm going to put your Core and VIP link into my traffic for the first month. That's going to get you credibility. Okay. Let's say your first month you make $1,000. It could be more, it could be less. Okay. What that's going to do is that's going to create a story. When you create your story, all you got to do is tell it and tell it often. Okay. Going to develop credibility. Say, listen, and you don't have to come out and do whatever you want to do. But I would go on YouTube and say, hey, I got Core and I got VIP. Todd put me in his traffic, and boom, look what happened. Okay. I got my money back and I profited $500. Whatever your story is, just make sure it's the truth. Okay. Don't lie to people because they're going to find out you was lying. But you're going to have credibility and you're finally going to start having success. You're going to have a story to tell. You just learn to tell it well and then tell it often. Okay. This is how things are made in affiliate marketer. So my offer still stands. I think I had 3 people take me up on it yesterday. So today, if you get in a Core and VIP and the link in the description, I'm going to put you in the traffic for a month. Okay. I have 2 traffic sources. And you're going to have access to that traffic source as well as part of your uh, back office. So people that come in from the traffic that I put in front of your link, you're going to have access to make money with. And I've already made it $107,000 with this traffic source already so far. Okay. So, and you can be in the same position. You can do the same thing. Okay, that's just more money. The beginning though is getting into core. The core, everything's core, and then VIP. Okay, get into core VIP and reply to this email and say, "Hey, dude, I'm in," and I'll have notice that you are there, and we'll get your link and we'll get you started. Okay, that's email 2. Watch for email 3, guys. Hurry up before these spots get taken.